Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to separate your Facebook profile from your business page. Guys, if you're tired of managing your business page from your personal account or just want a clean break, this process lets you hand off admin rights to someone else. Let's walk through it step by step. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account linked to your business page. You'll land on the home page with your news feed, posts, and stories. Look for the menu icon. Those three horizontal lines, usually in the top right or bottom right corner depending on your app version. Tap it to pull up the menu. Now, let's switch to your business page. Scroll through the menu until you see Your Pages, or a drop-down with your page's name, like Joe's Coffee Shop. Tap it to select your business page. Once you're on the page's main screen, find the settings icon. It's typically a gear in the top right corner. Tap it to dive into the page settings. Scroll down to find Page Setup or Page Roles. The label might vary slightly. Tap it, then look for Page Access or People with Facebook Access. You'll see an option to Add New. Tap that, then hit Next. Search for the person you want to make an admin by entering their name or the email tied to their Facebook account. When their profile appears, select it, then tap Give Access. Choose Admin as their role. This lets them manage posts, messages, ads, and insights fully. You'll need to enter your Facebook password to confirm the action. Type it in, hit Submit, and an invitation is sent to the person. They'll get a notification to accept the admin role. Once they do, go back to Page Roles, find your own profile, and tap Remove to detach yourself from the page. Unique tip: before removing yourself, double-check the new admin's role by messaging them to confirm they've accepted. This prevents the page from being left without an admin. If the invite doesn't go through, ensure the person has an active Facebook account and isn't blocked. You can also try adding them via their Facebook ID number, found in their profile URL. If you're still stuck, visit Meta's Business Help Center in the app's Help and Support section for detailed troubleshooting or to contact support. Got questions about managing your page? Drop them in the comments, and let's keep the conversation going.